Hey Jammers, it is Cotton Wolf 12 here with my buddy at his den, and today it's a new buddy, so yeah. And my channel is Radio Girl. Let me start that over. Radio Girl XK. And today we are going to talk about fair trade. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to single him. Never use gifting, because gifting is just like a way to get scammed. Trust me, never use gifting for trade unless you're trying to gift someone for like Thanksgiving or something, which is coming up. And I'll tell them when to trade. I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay, trade me. Let me put it on my list real quick. Okay, so we are going to trade real quick. I'm going to actually put some more stuff. Okay. And we're going to give it right back at the end because we can trust each other actually really well. Because we just got in a jammer fight on accident where he thought I was not going to give it back when I said I had an idea. And, yes, do what it is worth. And, yeah, I'm going to trade on back now. Trade back. Reading back. Okay. So, yeah, that's actually really cool. So I'm going to put these here for a second. And yeah. Wait, I don't want to play a game. Okay. So yeah. For this. And then we're trade requesting back again. And just for an example, I can actually trust him, so yeah, he loves his eagle, so yeah. I'll tell him almost. Okay, and so yeah, we never use gifting for trade. Don't even use it for trade unless you actually want to give someone as a gift. Never use it for trade though. Only use the trade system. Say thanks. Say thanks. Thank you. Okay, that sounded really wrong, so I'm just going to restart that after I'm done typing this. Thank you for watching once more, and yeah, my user is CottonWolf12, and my channel is named Radio Girl XK, and so yeah. Sorry about the background noises that are probably somewhere outside. And so yeah, bye Jammers. Thanks again for watching. And remember my user, I'm going to try to do some gameplay videos. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for him to say bye. Be any minute.